I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now what would you all consider to be a grail? You know, when you think about a grail sneaker, the term is used a lot in the sneaker community. What is it that you all would consider to be a grail? Is it a sneaker that means the most to you? One that you see and you say, I just gotta have that one. Is that what a grail is? Is it a shoe that evokes a certain memory? This one was one of my grails. This shoe right here, the Brave Blue Jordan 13 Low. Alright? This has a certain memory attached to it. So that's why this shoe means so much to me. It is a grail. But could a grail be a shoe that you never had before and that you always wanted, but you could never get it? Is that what a grail is? In the case of this particular video, a grail for me is a shoe that I've seen and I've always wanted it. And now I finally have it. Alright? And I didn't have to go to GOAT, and I didn't have to go to StockX. I was able to get this shoe retail. Alright? Now, there is a catch. I did have to go down to a 13 instead of a 14. Alright? So let's go ahead and get into this. Man, when I opened up the box, I cut into the top there. Oops. But anyway, these are the Air Jordan 13 Retro Navy University Blue, size 13, of course. Boom. Now I am, in most cases, I am a true size 13 and a half. So sometimes, depending on the shoe, I can go down to a 13 or I go to a 14 because they don't often make size 13 and a halves. That's a rare size for some reason. So 13 on this one. But let's go ahead and get into this shoe, man. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Yes, sir. It's about damn time. It is about damn time. Left shoe first, baby. Yeah! The Jordan 13 in that Flint colorway. Man, oh man. I have always wanted this shoe. Since I got into sneakers and, you know, kind of started paying attention to sneakers, I've always wanted this shoe. This has always been a Jordan 13. Besides this one, besides this particular one, I've always wanted this because I felt like this was the low top version of this. They're pretty much the same. This one's just white, you know what I mean? That one's the blue and the black. But I felt like this was almost an alternate version of that. So once I got into sneakers, because if you all recall, this was my first Jordan ever. So that's why this one holds a special place for me. But once I found out about these, I said, man, these are the opposites of those, so I gotta have them. When these released, they released the day after my 35th birthday this year, right? And I didn't get them. I did not get them on sneakers. I was heartbroken a little bit, man. As far as shoes are concerned, I said, damn, the one shoe that I wanted this year, I could not get for my birthday. And then a few weeks go by, month goes by, my homeboy JT, he goes to a store and he's able to get them for me. So, good luck to JT coming through in the clutch, hooking me up with the Grail sneaker, man. I don't use that word a lot because I felt like I had most all my Grails before this came here, but this one is a Grail. And while I'm talking about it, man, if I don't ever get another Jordan, period, if I don't win another Jordan raffle, I'm content. I'm content right now based off of owning this shoe. There's some other Jordans that I like. I'm not saying that I'm never going to buy another Jordan. But if something were to happen and I just never could win another sneakers raffle, a size 14 is just always sold out from to the end of time, I am content now that this particular Jordan is in my collection. I'm good. I have all the Jordans that I've ever wanted for the most part right now. The exception to that is the Bel Air 5s, but I'm never going to pay that price to get that shoe now. So I'm good on it. When I say Bel Air 5s, I mean the original version of the Bel Air 5s, not the upcoming one. But let's go ahead and get into this, man. Man, you see that blue upper? You got your Carolina blue Jumpman on the tongue, white tongue going around here. Let me take the shoe tree out. I got that tightened up there. Boom, so we can see the softness. Pretty soft, man. Pretty soft. Pretty soft leather. A nice little tumble going around there. We got some of that suede going around with the gray here. Of course, we have our, boom, I'm taking that sticker right off. Got that reflective 2-3 in the Jumpman. You can see that changing. Very dope. And then this is reflective. The up here, this is 3M, that reflective right there. White laces. On the inside, you have a navy blue. There's a navy blue, you probably can't see that. There's a navy blue insole with the same Carolina Jumpman there. Get the bottoms. The Carolina blue again with the black Jumpman. White paws there. Boom. White pads. Got a little bit of that carbon fiber here on the center. Alright. And at the bottom there you see that Jordan. Very nice shoe, man. Very nice shoe. Of course, the Jordan 13 is also one of my favorite Jordans. So I'm a little biased. But man, I'm really glad that I own this shoe and that, you know, it came out nice. I'm not mad at all. I'm very excited to own this shoe. But of course, the moment of truth. The moment of truth. We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, so these are the shoes that I was rocking today. The Reebok Shaq Attacks. Very first Shaq shoes. You know what I mean? My favorite player of all time. His first signature shoe. Alright, so let's get these to the side and show you what you are here for today. On feet. Jordan 13 Flints. I know I'm late. I know you've already seen a million of these videos of these shoes on feet, but you ain't seen the Big Rough TV video. Alright? Man. Now for size reference, you know what, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. I'm gonna be honest with you. This shoe is making me question every Jordan 13 that I own. It's making me question it because this size 13 is the perfect fit. It fits so good right now that it makes me feel like all the size 14s that I have are too big. My big toe right here. There's room. It's a nice snug fit. It's not the snug fit that it's like, this is uncomfortable and I need to get these shoes off. It's hugging perfectly. I have just enough room. Man, it fits like a 13 and a half to me. Like, it's fitting perfectly. And I feel like all my other 13s now are too big. Man, I should have had a size 13 in all my 13s. Man, these fit amazing. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for this one. Yo, most definitely these get the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval, because these are just too sweet. And I'm so glad to finally have these in my collection. Alright? Now, I mentioned this before in the previous video. I said we were at the last two of the sneaker videos in this room, and this one is the final one. Alright, so it's gonna be a little while. I'm in the process of moving to the States, so this one's gonna do it. This one's gonna be the last sneaker video for a little while. Alright, I'm gonna work on some different content to bring you in the meantime, but I can't order sneakers right now and have them shipped over here because I wouldn't get the shoes. I'm gonna be gone. So thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.